Jerry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Invermere, BC, and this is my new listing, unit number 1102 at Lake Windermere Pointe. This is a ground floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, has some nice flooring, nice updates, and it's ready to go, being sold fully furnished and ready to take over. So let's go take a look. All right, so here we are at the entrance to 1102, and just going to show you the kind of open concept living room, dining room area, and then we'll go check out the bedrooms after. But as you can see, there's a nice defined dining room, and this flows over to the kitchen area, and everything's in pretty good condition. We've got some nice laminate flooring, decorations and stuff, art and furniture is all in decent condition. And we're into kind of living room section here. And this is the layout where all the bedrooms are over to one side. And let's just pop out onto this deck and take a look outside there. All right, so we've got this nice patio furniture out here, pretty spacious covered deck. So you are ground floor and you're facing north. But what's good about this location is you're away from the road. You can see that the road is kind of a distance away. Some of the units in the 3000 building next door are right up against the road. And so the nice thing with this one is you do have some separation. The road is not right up against the unit. All right, so just gonna continue on here. So before we check out the bedrooms and the bathroom, just wanna show you this laundry room, which offers some extra storage. So you've got a decent size of extra storage space there. And then we've got a closet here. And we'll continue on to, we've got a full bathroom right here with a tub and shower. All right, and then this would be the second bedroom here, which is set up right now with bunk beds and a bit of a computer kind of workstation. Just gonna pan around so you can kind of see that here. And then this master or primary bedroom is a really good size. And large bed here. And that flows into the walk-through closet and the ensuite, which again is another full bath with a tub and shower. So this unit is one of the most affordable units in the entire complex. And the advantage to this complex, you've got a swimming pool, 2 hot tubs. One of the hot tubs runs year-round. You're steps away from Lake Windermere and the Chabot beach, very close to downtown, and not that far from Panorama. So this is really viable, whether it's a vacation base camp, whether you're buying this for revenue and rentals, or whether even viable as a full-time home. So there's a lot of different options, very versatile complex and unit. And this one, asking price, the strata fees, everything are at the lower end of the market and one of the most affordable options. Check out the 3D tour and reach out to myself or your realtor for more information, but don't hesitate on this one. Thanks.